Welcome to Saraswati Vidya Mandir Higher Secondary School, Nilakantanagar, Brahmapur. It is well known for its glorious results. From a humble origin, it has taken rapid strides to reach the pinnacle of success. Since its inception in 2007, it has been nurturing a high degree of discipline and dedication in students. The chief architect of our institution, our principal, Shri S. Mohan Rao.
I'd like to extend my warm and hearty welcome to all the parents and students to this huge temple of learning. This is not an institution but a positive, life-giving spiritual force. You must be feeling proud to be associated with such a great institution of high repute. We are equally glad and proud to have all of you who have faith in us. Our freshers have high hopes and aspirations. We are committed to giving wings to them so that they can soar high and prove themselves. Saraswati Vidya Mandir Higher Secondary School, Nilakantanagar, Brahmapur is built on the strong foundation of quality education, discipline and moral values. Life skills imparted here shape the mind and heart of the students and make them explore and touch the highest possibilities of life, both personally and professionally in future. The ambience here is cool, calm and conducive to studies. We are preparing young minds under the robust guidance of our highly experienced, dedicated lecturers. Fortunately, we have the best brains as our managing committee members to encourage us. We are deeply rooted in our values, culture, but at the same moment, we are ready to experiment, update and upgrade ourselves constantly and consistently to give our students the best experience here. For example, during this COVID crisis, we have set up studios with modern gadgets and latest technology to facilitate online teaching. We are very grateful to the parents for their faith, support and cooperation. Best education can be achieved on the basis of cooperation among students, teachers and parents. We adopt an unparalleled strategy of TTETR, that is teaching, testing, explaining, tracking progress and retesting. Last but not the least, our students are our assets. They appreciate our environment. They readily adopt our methodology of teaching. The competitive atmosphere here gets them positively motivated. They work hard and the tradition of our excellent result continues. Saraswati Vidya Mandir Higher Secondary School, Nilakantanagar, Brahmapur is a man-making institution. I would like to seek your support, cooperation in maintaining the glorious tradition of the institution. Thank you all.
Our day begins with the morning prayer. After seeking the blessings from Goddesses Saraswati and feeling empowered with the surge of patriotism, our young minds enter the classrooms. Classroom is not only the place for learning but for incubating fresh ideas through intense deliberation, discussion and interaction. Plus 2 science education is incomplete without well-equipped labs. The labs fuel their curiosity and promote their interest in exploring the unexplored areas of science. Our physics department is headed by Shri Swarajya Maji, HOD and the Plus 2 shift in charge. We have Dr. Sushant Kumar Sahu, Shri Hemant Padhi, Shri Chiranjeevi Tarini Prasad, Shri Jilu Pradhan and Srimati Sophia Suman. Our chemistry department is headed by Shri Girija Shankar Satpati, HOD. We have Shri Bhagwan Muni, Sushri Snitha Rani Sahu, Shri Pavitra Mohan Mahapatro and Shri Abhimanyu Maharana. Our maths department is headed by Shri Prafulla Kumar Pradhan, HOD, Shri Ganeshwar Beja, Shri Prasanna Kumar Patnaik, Shri Santosh Kumar Padhi and Shri Naresh Kumar Sahu. Our botany department is headed by Srimati Sunita Patnaik, HOD, Srimati K. Archana, Sushri Shipra Bedayana Kara, Srimati Prashanti Devi. Our zoology department is headed by Srimati Sumitra Jena, HOD. We have Dr. Anita Subuddhi, Sushri Diptimai Panda and Shri Vishwajyoti Sahu. Our IT department is headed by Shri Ramakant Mahanti, HOD, and we have Srimati Suman Rani Acharya. We have Sasanka Shekhar Kara, who heads the Department of Electronics. Our English department is headed by Shri Ravindra Das, HOD, Srimati Monalisha Padhi, Srimati Mandakini Mishra and Shri Rajat Kumar Pradhan. In the audio department, we have Dr. Arun Kumar Parida and Shri Pavitra Kumar Hotta. In the Sanskrit department, we have Shri Sachitananda Purohit and Shri Samir Kumar Barik. And in the Hindi department, we have Srimati Sabita Patnaik. After achieving remarkable milestones in the field of plus 2 science education, Saraswati Vidya Mandir Higher Secondary School has started plus 2 commerce in the year 2009. The faculty members are Shri Shrikant Sahu, Shri Alok Kumar Panda, Sushri Pooja Rani Sahu and Shri Aditya Kumar Jena. We provide smart class facilities for better learning and teaching experience. During COVID crisis, we have set up online classrooms from our modern studios. These studios will give our students the fuel of the real classroom. Here is our seminar hall for meetings, seminars, or a small spiritual get-together. Co-curricular and extracurricular activities are conducted. Library is the soul of a great institution. We have a huge library with reading room facility. There are books, magazines, journals to feed the inquisitive minds with latest data and information. Healthy mind presides in a healthy body. Our playground provides all sorts of games and sports activities. The day ends, but the teaching doesn't. The second innings takes place in the hostel itself. It may be rigorous, but it is required for the holistic development of the students. The hostel life comes alive with snacks, newspaper, reading and short naps. An important ingredient of our recipe for success is our coaching division. We have a pool of distinguished faculty members from the top-notch academies throughout India. They are the miracle makers. Doubt clearing session is also a part of this division. Students stay up to 9 p.m. and in the presence of the faculty members, they clear their doubts. As a testimony to our effort and sincerity, we have achieved glorious results year after year. Every year we break our own records. Let's have a glance at the Plus 2 Science and Commerce results of 2019-20. Plus 2 Science, 15 students secured above 90% with Sarthak Ranjan Rao, State 2nd rank, and Ipshita Mahapatro with State 5th rank. And in Plus 2 Commerce, we had 7 students who secured above 90% with Rahul Prasanna Sahu, State 3rd rank, S. Sai Krishna Patro, State 6th rank, and B. Sneha Rani Patro with state 9th rank. Let's take a look at the glorifying result of the coaching division of 2019. 74 students grabbed seats in MBBS, 81 in JEE, 2 in NISA, 10 in ICAR, 1 in AIMS, 3 in IIT, 19 in NIT and 8 in ISA. To add glory, 8 students secured above 600 marks in NEET 2019. Our glittering stars of the galaxy, Malaya Ranjan Das grabbed the 98th All India rank in AIMS 2019. He also picked up the single-digit 6th state rank in NEET 2019. Jyotirmay Mishra grabbed the 7th state rank in NEET 2019 with 663 marks. Subhranshu Sekhar Dehuri picked up 1372 All India rank in IIT 2019. Lots more to discover about this glorifying institution when you land up into the premises. Thank you.